Hello and welcome again. Tonight we're doing pulled pork. Please don't be put off by the amount of ingredients required. They're probably all in your store cupboard. Hello again, and this afternoon I'm embarking on pulled pork, which I need to make a barbecue sauce for, which is quite a lot of ingredients, but it's very quick to make, takes about 15 minutes, and that's that. So I'll get on with that now. I didn't have onion powder, but I did have these in the cupboard, so I've just ground them up to make my own. A can of good tomatoes, some cider vinegar, a big squeeze of honey, a squirt of tomato puree, a few splashes of Worcester sauce, a tablespoon of treacle or molasses, seasoning with salt and pepper as you like it, and to add that smoky taste, I've used smoked water, but you could use smoked paprika. The recipe asked for dried garlic powder, but you could use fresh. Add a teaspoon of dried oregano and you're good to go. It's bubbling away. Aroma for another 11 minutes. That'll be 17 in total. This chap is on here in place of the measuring cup, so it allows steam to escape, but it won't let it all splatter up your walls, because if you didn't have that on, it would be halfway up your wall by now. And now onto the actual pork. So we're nearly done. It's bubbling away, as you can see. Just about to stop. There's the music. Police. Let's see what we've got. See, that would have been all up the wall. Let's have a look. Smells nice. Now, if you wanted it thicker, of course, you could just boil it for longer, but here we are. In go the sliced onions, the garlic, and the pork shoulder. Add the rest of the herbs and the barbecue sauce you've just made. Then it's just a matter of 6 hours, 98 degrees on the slow cook mode. So here we are. It's way past midnight, and this chap's been cooking for 6 hours, and I just wanted to check on it before I go to bed. So let's have a look and see what's been going on. Oh, there's the song. Turn the lid upside down and put it on your work surface, and then it won't mark anything. Here we are. Oh, there's quite a lot of fat sitting on the top, but that's not surprising with the pork shoulder. I'm intrigued, but the smell is sublime. So my next job is to remove the pork and the onions that are still in slices and set them aside, and cut the pork into pieces and then let the machine shred it for me. So let's see how that goes. What have we got here? Ooh, pulled pork. Do it in 2 batches. It's reverse blade, which ensures you just don't have dog food at the end. Add as much barbecue sauce as you want to make the consistency you'd like. All that's left to do is to serve it in brioche buns or any bun you like. I did mine with coleslaw and sweet potato fries. It's really up to you. Thank you for watching, and it's good night from me.